you ever entered a trade only to see the price move in the opposite direction moments later? What if I told you that there's a way to see the bigger picture and avoid costly mistakes? Multi-timeframe analysis could be the key to unlocking smarter trading decisions. Stay tuned as we break down how analyzing multiple timeframes can refine your entries, improve trade timing, and give you a true edge in the markets. Learnity is a leading online edtech company dedicated to professionalizing financial education. Our mission is to make finance accessible and understandable for all, regardless of background or experience. Through comprehensive courses on forex, stocks, investing, money management, and financial planning, we empower our clients with the knowledge and confidence to navigate the financial world with ease. Now, in this video lesson, we are going to be talking about multi-time frame analysis in forex. But before we dive into this topic, I would need you to take a little bit of your time to like, subscribe to this channel, and also hit the notification button so that you can get notified when we upload new educational content. Do remember that you can earn reward prizes like cash rewards, trading bonuses, personalized trading plan consultation with a mentor, and so on and so forth by engaging with our educational content. So the more you engage with educational content, the more you can earn reward prizes. So to learn more about our reward program, you can click on the link below in the description area. Now, multi-time analysis in forex trading is a strategy where traders examine the same currency pair across different time frames to gain a broader perspective on market trends and price movements. This approach helps traders identify trends, confirm signals, and improve trade timing. Now, moving on, let's look at how the multi-time frame analysis actually works. So we have three types of time frames. Now we have the long-term time frame, we have the medium-term time frame, and also we have the short-term time frame. Now the long-term time frame provides an overview of the market trend. For example, the daily charts or the weekly charts. Number two, we have the medium-term time frame. Now this helps refine trade entries and exits. For example, the 4-hour or the 1-hour chart. And last but not the least, we have the short-term time frame. Now this is used for precise trade executions. For example, the 15-minute time frame or the 5 minutes time frame. Alright, so over here we have the daily chart. Now on this daily chart, this is the long-term time frame. On this time frame, this is where I do look for my overall trade direction. So as you can see, this is pound United States dollar on the one that is on the daily time frame, and as you can see clearly here, we are in a bullish trend. So this is the overall direction. Now let's move over to the 4-hour time frame, which is a medium-term time frame. Now, what I usually use this time frame for is to refine what the daily time frame is actually telling me. So the daily time frame is actually giving me the a bullish sentiment, that is, I should trade in a buy direction. I should look for only buy trades. I should look for only buy trends on the 4-hour time frame. Now, looking at the 4-hour time frame, what do you see? You can see that we are in a bullish that we are in a still, like that is, we are still in a bullish time frame. And over here, you can see here we have this bullish order block here. Now, what I usually do is that if I go down to the 1 hour, this is the area where I do look for entries. So you guys can see this is the area where price came into that 4-hour order block. Now we have what we call a shift of market structure here. So we have this high, we have this low, then we have the market break above that high. Now what do we have here? We have let's zoom in. Let me show you guys. We have what we call a fair value gap. So my entry will be taken from this area. Let me get my position size tool. This is my entry will be taken. Stop loss goes below this low. And what I usually go for a 1-to-1 or reward ratio of 1-to-2. So as you can see, this is over here is a 1-to-1 reward ratio. So this trade would have been successful. And let's see if it goes 1-to-2. It doesn't quite get to 1-to-2, but as you can see, it got to the 1-to-1 reward ratio, which is my usual reward ratio. Now, this is how I usually, look at the market. This is how I usually take my trades. Now, if you want to refine it, that is, if you want to refine the entry more deeper, you can go down to the short-term time frame, which is the 15 minutes time frame, so that you can get a better reward ratio. So on that means that your trade is going to be, you see where the 15 minutes time frame we tested the order block on the 4-hour. So we have a high, we have a low. Then we have the market break above that high with this candle body. So we're going to be taking our move with this 15 minutes order block if you are trading with the 15 minutes time frame. So let me draw that out. This is the 15 minutes order block. So we're going to be taking our move from here. and let's see what happens. So this will be our stop loss, and usually, like I said, I do go for a ratio of 1 to 1 or 1 to 2. So this is a 1 to 1. Over here we have a 1 to 1 ratio. So let's see if with the 15 minutes entry we got a 1 to 2 on the 15 minutes entry. So as you can see, yes, we got a 1 to 2 ratio on the 15 minutes time frame. So this is the difference between these time frames. Now, the reason why we, like I explained in the slides, the reason why we use the multi-time frame analysis is to make sure that we get the same bias on each and every time frame. So you start from the higher time frame, which is the daily, weekly time frame, come down, or monthly time frame also. You come down to the medium time frame, which is the 4 hour, the 1 hour time frame, and you come down to the short time frame, which is the 15 minutes. That is optional. If you want to refine your entry more, you can go to the 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute time frame. So moving on, let's look at the benefits of multi-time frame analysis in Forex. Number one, it's used to confirm trend across different time frames. Number two, it helps traders spot key support and resistance levels. Number three, it improves trade timing and risk management. And last but not the least, it reduces false signals by aligning multiple perspectives. Now, moving forward, I'll be taking you through the personal learning area. That is the Learnity's personal learning area to introduce you to the courses section of the personal learning area. So over here, we have the Learnity's platform. This is our homepage. Now, to sign up to the Learnity's platform, you can click on this diamond link here, and that should take you to a page where you can sign up to the Learnity's platform. Now, if you want a structured guide on how to sign up to the Learnity's personal learning area, you can click on the link in the description below. That should take you through how you can sign up to the Learnity's personal learning area. So to log in, what you need to do is to come over here and click on this login button. So I already have an account Learnity. So what I need to do is to click on this login button. Clicking on this login button is going to take you to this page where you have to fill in this, credentials to sign in. But for me, I sign up with Google, so I'm going to be using Google to sign into my account. So what you need to do is to come over here and click on continue with Google, and that should bring up this dialog box here. Now, on this dialog box, this is where you're going to choose the preferred, that is your Gmail account, your Google account you want to use to sign in. So I'll be using this account to sign in. So what you just need to do is to come over here and click on the Google account you want to use to sign in and allow that to load. Now, after selecting my preferred email in the previous section, that should log me into my personal learning area. So this is the Learnity's personal learning area. This is how the personal area looks like. Now, over here, we are going to be talking about the courses section of the personal learning area. But before we do that, I would like to show you around the personal learning area. Now, the first thing we will be talking about in the personal learning area is the stream section of the personal learning area, which is this section here, this icon here. Now, streams is your go-to feed where we drop all the latest videos, updates, and helpful content. It's the easiest way to stay in the loop and catch up with what's new in the Forex world. So if you want to catch up with things going on in the Forex world or in the trading world, you can go to this streams area right here. This is where you're going to get videos, you're going to get articles, keeping you up to loop with what's going on in the trading world. Now, moving on, we are going to be talking about this bell notification icon here. Now, if you want to get notified whenever we are holding important events in the personal learning area, you need to be subscribed to this bell notification icon here. Now, once you subscribe to this bell notification icon, you're going to get alerts whenever we are holding important events, like whenever we are giving out trading bonuses, whenever we are giving out cash rewards, and so on and so forth. You are going to be notified whenever we are holding these events on the personal learning area. Now, as you can see, I'm already subscribed to to this notification icon right here. So to subscribe, what you need to do is to come over here and click on the notification button. Clicking on it should bring up a window for you where you see the subscribe button. Now, once you see that subscribe button, what you need to do is just click on subscribe, and that should subscribe you to the notifications. So whenever we are holding these important events, you get notified. Now, moving on, another thing we're going to talk about before we go into the course section is the reward section of the personal learning area. Now, the reward section is a section of the personal learning area that allows users to earn coin Learnity tokens by watching videos in the rewards area. By engaging with these videos, users can accumulate tokens, which helps them progress towards earning badges and unlocking other rewards. It's an easy and fun way to earn while also continuing your learning journey. So if you want to learn while you earn, what you need to do is to go over here and complete the tasks in the reward section. Mostly, you have to watch the videos available in that reward section. So the more videos you watch, the more tokens you earn, and the more tokens you earn, the more prizes you can actually win. So moving on, let's talk about the courses section of the personal learning area. Now, to get to the courses section of the personal learning area, you just need to come over here where this mouse is, and you click on the course icon here and allow that to load. Now, once that loads up, it should bring you to this page right here, which is the courses page of the personal learning area. Now, if you scroll to the bottom here, you can see that we have two courses. We have two types of courses on the personal learning area. We have the signature courses, and we also have the premium courses, which is also known as the VIP courses. Now, if you want to continue learning more trading concepts like the one taught in this video, you can take up any of our educational courses available on our platform. Now, these courses are designed in such a way to guide you through the beginner to advanced concepts in trading. So if you're interested in taking up any of our courses, you can click on the link in the description area below to take you to this page where you can purchase any of these courses. Now, to purchase any of these courses, you can actually click on any of them. Let's say I click on this. Let me click on this course, and I will give that time to load. Now, clicking on the course should bring you to the course page here. Just as you can see here, this is the course I clicked on. Now, in this course page, you get access to more information about the course, like the topics that were taught in the course, all topics or modules in the course, and also the price for the course. You can also see the number of lessons taught in the course. Now, to actually get the course, what you need to do is to come over here. As you can see, I'm not enrolled, and this is the price of the course here. What you need to do to purchase the course is to come over here and click on the take this course button here and give that time to load. Now, after clicking the take the course button here, that should bring you to this page where you see different payment methods you can use to purchase the course. So over here we have the local payment method, we have bank transfer payment method, and if you scroll to the bottom here, we have other payment methods like the international payment method and African payment method. So you can use any of these methods to actually purchase the course available on our platform. So guys, that will be all for this video. Remember to always like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that I can get notified whenever we upload new content. I will see you all in the next video.